Let me show you two methods that will enable you to identify any font you see online. All right, so I was just playing around on TikTok and I came across this video, right? And I think I kind of like the caption, the font they used on the caption right here. So what I did was just to take a screenshot, and then next up I went to ChatGPT to upload the screenshot, and then next up I asked ChatGPT to help me identify the prompt, the font rather. I said, "Hey ChatGPT, help me identify the name of the fonts used in the caption above, used in the image I just uploaded." And then I hit enter. All right, so, okay, cool. Now, of course, just like any AI platform, right, ChatGPT can be 100%, and that's what it's acknowledged here, but it says the most likely fonts that were used, it gave me three options, have little, which is the light or regular, that's the light or regular boldface, Marad Pro, Geosens Light, right? So these are the three. Now, it also gave us three other likely options. I'm just going to go to Google right here and type Lato. Okay, let's see, and type in Lato. All right, so Lato, yeah, so let's see what we've got. So Lato has 10 styles or 10, but yeah, so I think the one, yeah, this is pretty similar to what we saw on the screenshot. Where is that screenshot again? So I think this is pretty similar. Let me zoom in. Right, so this is pretty similar to what we have here. As you can see, I think they're pretty similar, right? So if you want to download it, you just go to, if you want to download this particular font, right, just go to this tab right here to click get font, and that's it. So the first way to identify any font used, okay, in any particular design or you see online is ChatGPT. Now, the second platform is this website we call whatthefont, myfont.com/whatthefont, right? I'll leave the link in the description. So this is pretty similar to ChatGPT, right? It has a feed where you can upload, okay, an image. So I'm just going to once again upload the screenshot of what we did earlier, right? So just give it a few seconds to process, right? So you can, of course, expand your right, the marker to ensure it takes it, okay, you mark the particular area you want to identify, right, and then you go and click identify font, right? So it gave us, so this platform gave us a couple of suggestions, right? Most of them are paid suggestions, like this one. This is Citarella Gothic. I think from the options we have here, I think the one that's pretty close to that option is this one, right? Citarella Gothic Regular, right? So this is for $20. So this is a paid font, right? So if you can't afford this, or if you don't want to pay for this, you can of course use the free platform, which is Google Font, another platform that enable you to download free fonts, right? So these are the two ways that you can identify fonts, okay, you see online, right? And they work very well. So I'm sure you had value from this. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.